After extensively testing 14 sunrise alarm clocks over the past 3 months, I've identified the 5 models that truly improve your morning routine. Our rigorous testing, including sleep quality monitoring and wake-up response analysis, revealed which wake-up lights improve your energy levels and mood. Each device offers unique features that might be perfect for your sleep habits, so check out the complete list. You'll find all the links and best updated prices in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light HF352GOS60. If waking up feels like a daily battle, this might just be the ally you need. Imagine waking up to a gentle sunrise right in your bedroom. This wake-up light simulates a natural sunrise, gradually increasing light intensity over 20 to 40 minutes, easing you into your day. It's like having your own personal dawn, minus the early morning chill and a gentler start compared to jarring alarm clocks. One feature truly stands out, Orteum. With 20 different brightness settings, you can tailor the light to your liking, transitioning from a soft red glow to a bright white light. But it's not just about the light. You can choose from 5 natural wake-up sounds, like birdsong or gentle nature sounds, or even tune into your favorite FM radio station. A broader selection than some similar models offer. The tap to snooze feature is a lifesaver for those mornings when you just need a few more minutes. However, not everything is perfect. Some users mention that the clock face brightness can't be completely turned off, which might be a bit distracting in a pitch-black room, yet the lowest setting is quite dim, so it shouldn't be too bothersome. Another point to consider is that while the light is great for waking up, it's not designed to treat seasonal affective disorder, SAD. For that, you'd need a dedicated light therapy box, which offers higher intensity light. Another feature to consider, the sunset simulation is a fantastic feature for winding down at night, helping you relax and drift off to sleep more easily. Plus, the dual alarm setting is perfect for households with different schedules. The sleek, modern design adds a touch of elegance to any bedside table, and the touchscreen controls are intuitive and responsive, making it easier to use than some button-operated alternatives. The main benefit here is the gentle wake-up experience. If you struggle with grogginess in the morning, this light could be particularly helpful. It's especially useful during those dark winter months when getting out of bed feels like a Herculean task. The Philips SmartSleep Wake-Up Light HF352GOS60 is a good option for anyone looking to improve their morning routine and start the day on a brighter note. If you're searching for a way to make waking up a little less jarring and a lot more pleasant, this device deserves your attention. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Vivilumens Sunrise Alarm Clock with Sounds. If the blaring sound of a traditional alarm is your morning adversary, this clock might just be your new best friend. Imagine waking up to a gentle sunrise simulation that starts 10 minutes before your alarm, gradually illuminating your room. It's like having your own personal dawn, softly ushering you into the day. But that's not all. For those who struggle to fall asleep, the Vivilumens clock offers 10 calming sounds from white noise to nature melodies, with timer settings of 30, 60, or 90 minutes. It's a fantastic way to relax and ease into sleep, providing a similar variety of sounds as other models. Also, the dual alarm feature is perfect for couples or anyone with a varied schedule, allowing for 2 separate wake-up times. Let's move on to the design. It's not only practical but also visually appealing, making it a check addition to any nightstand. The touch-sensitive light control is a literal nice touch, and the adjustable brightness levels let you tailor it to your preference. Plus, if you charge your phone overnight, the built-in USB port is a handy feature, something not all sunrise clocks include. Still, setting up this clock can be a bit tricky. The instructions aren't the clearest, and you might find yourself referring to them more than once. But once you overcome that initial challenge, using the clock is straightforward. Yet, there's a limitation I noticed. The sunrise feature doesn't start from complete darkness, which might not be gradual enough for some, unlike some competitors. Even with these minor drawbacks, the Vivilumens clock shines with its core functionality. Its popularity is well-deserved. The gentle wake-up feature is exceptional, offering a more natural start to your day. It's especially beneficial for those who appreciate a calm and serene morning routine. If you're in search of a clock that combines an alarm, nightlight, and sound machine, this one is worth considering. The main advantage here is the gentle wake-up experience, which can significantly improve your mornings. It's perfect for anyone seeking a more natural way to start the day, particularly if you have a busy lifestyle that demands a reliable and versatile alarm clock. If you're ready to transform your wake-up routine, the Vivilumens Sunrise Alarm Clock is worth your attention. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. Imagine starting your day with the serene glow of a sunrise, right in your bedroom. The Geewup Sunrise Alarm Clock offers this calming experience by gradually brightening from 10% to 100% over a customizable period of 10, 20, or 30 minutes before your set alarm time. This feature is very helpful for those who find traditional alarms too jarring, allowing you to wake up feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle the day. One key benefit is its dual alarm function, perfect for couples with differing schedules, as it allows separate alarms for weekdays and weekends. Also, the snooze button grants an extra 9 minutes of rest, which can be very very helpful on those mornings when you need just a bit more sleep. The clock also doubles as a mood light, offering a variety of colors such as blue, indigo, and purple to create the perfect ambiance in your room. If you like a bit of background noise, the FM radio and 7 natural alarm sounds, including bird songs and sea waves, provide a soothing start to your day. But some users have pointed out that the speaker quality isn't top-notch, describing it as slightly tinny at lower volumes. While the clock is packed with features, the multitude of buttons can be slightly confusing, especially when you're half asleep trying to turn off the alarm. It might take a bit more time to get accustomed to, compared to simpler models. Even with these minor drawbacks, the Geewup Sunrise Alarm Clock is great because of its versatility. It functions as an alarm clock, FM radio, bedside lamp, and mood light, all in one. The adjustable brightness levels, both for the light and the LED time display, cater to those sensitive to light while sleeping. Perfect. The gentle wake-up experience is a significant benefit, particularly for heavy sleepers or those who struggle with traditional alarms. This clock offers a more natural and pleasant start to the day, making it particularly useful for anyone looking to improve their morning routine and overall mood. If you want a multifunctional device that elevates your wake-up experience, the Geewup Sunrise Alarm Clock is a good option. Its combination of features and user-friendly setup makes it a valuable addition to any bedroom. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. Imagine starting your day with a gradual increase in light, mimicking a natural sunrise rather than the harsh sound of a traditional alarm. The Geewup Sunrise Alarm Clock offers this soothing transition by adjusting light intensity from 10% to 100% over a customizable time frame, making mornings feel more organic and less abrupt. For those with varying schedules, the dual alarm capability is very useful, allowing 2 separate alarms with distinct date settings, perfect for couples or anyone needing a backup. The adjustable snooze function provides flexibility, letting you enjoy a few more moments of rest without stress. The sound machine is a standout feature, boasting 25 built-in sounds ranging from calming nature sounds to white noise, all delivered through high-fidelity dual speakers. This helps create a peaceful sleep environment. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, enabling easy streaming from your device, a feature not always found in similar sunrise clocks. With 17 light settings, including 8 solid colors and 9 RGB effects, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any time of day. Whether you need a nightlight, bedside lamp, or ambient glow, this clock delivers. The adjustable brightness ensures the light is never too intense or too dim. However, the clock does have some drawbacks. It lacks a battery backup, requiring a constant power supply, which could be inconvenient during power outages. Some users have found the instructions somewhat unclear, making setup a bit challenging. Additionally, the alarm shutoff design requires 2 hands, but the overall design and functionality outweigh these minor issues. The main benefit of this clock is the gentle wake-up experience, thanks to its sunrise simulation. It's ideal for anyone seeking a more natural and peaceful start to their day. If traditional alarms are a struggle, or if you're looking to enhance your sleep environment, this clock is worth considering. Its range of features makes it a good choice for improving your daily routine. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. The Hatch Restore 3. Sunrise Alarm Clock is a significant improvement for those who find traditional alarms too harsh. This device is designed to improve your sleep quality by gently simulating a sunrise, making waking up a more pleasant experience. It's perfect for anyone looking to align their sleep patterns with their natural circadian rhythm, offering a smoother wake-up compared to faster sunrise simulators. Beyond just waking you up, the Hatch Restore 3 helps you wind down with a tailored bedtime routine. Imagine ending your day with a combination of soothing lights and sounds that ease you into sleep. With a library of over 80 scientifically backed sleep aids, including meditations and sleep stories, it caters to diverse preferences, making it easier to relax after a hectic day. This variety surpasses what many similar devices offer. A key feature is its encouragement of a screen-free bedroom, crucial for maintaining good sleep hygiene. The intuitive controls allow for easy adjustments, and a quick tap provides a nightlight option. The companion app, compatible with iOS and Android, enhances the experience by letting you customize routines and access content seamlessly. Some features require a subscription, which might be a concern for those cautious about recurring expenses. Also, the need for a stable Wi-Fi connection and a power outlet might limit where you can place the device. Even with these considerations, the Hatch Restore 3 excels with its sleek design and user-friendly app. Users consistently praise the gentle wake-up experience. The diverse sound options, from nature sounds to white noise, ensure there's something for everyone, and the adaptive soundscapes prevent abrupt volume changes at night. The main benefit of the Hatch Restore 3 is its ability to improve your sleep environment and make waking up more enjoyable. It's especially beneficial for those who struggle with conventional alarms and wish to establish a healthier sleep routine. If you're seeking a device that can transform your sleep experience and help you wake up refreshed, the Hatch Restore 3 is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.